Hello children, in this video learn about Excel in chart. Chart in MS Excel is your first content. Second, elements of charts. Third, types of charts. For creating charts. Do you know children, MS Excel provides some very useful features such as creating chart, sorting, filtering and conditional formatting that helps to deal with the large amounts of data in worksheet. Let us learn about this feature in details. Chart in MS Excel. Chart present a graphical view of data which make it easier for user to quickly understand comparison, pattern and relationship between the large amount of data. The look of chart depend on the data and the types of chart selected. Charts are also updated automatically if there are any changes in data. Thus, charts serve as an effective tool for better comparison and analysis of data. Elements of chart. A chart is composed of various elements. Let us discuss these elements in details. First, data series. It refers to a set of data value that are plotted in chart. Legend. It is a box usually displayed on of the sides of the chart. It identifies each data series in chart. Each data series is assigned unique pattern of color to differentiate it from other data. Chart title. It is the heading of a chart. It helps the user understand what the chart represents. Plot area. It is the area containing the chart axis and grid lines. Chart area. It is the entire areas containing the charts and all its elements. Plot area, titles, legend and the data table. Axis. The horizontal and vertical lines that surrounded the plot area are called the axis. They are used reference point for measuring the data value and blazing the plotted of the chart, and the y-axis is usually the vertical lines of containing data values and the x-axis is usually the horizontal line and the containing the data categories. X title. It is the heading given to the x-axis and the y-axis. The titles help in the understanding what is being depicted on this axis. Grid lines. These are the horizontal and vertical lines in the plot area. These lines make it easier to identify the value of each data point on the chart. Data marker. It is the any symbol such as the bar, an area, a dot or slice use a represent value in a chart. Data label. It is the title given to the data marker in a chart. Data table. It is the table containing the value of each data series, usually displayed below the charts. Okay children, I hope you understand this topic. Okay, is your most important question is what is a chart in Excel? Okay, so important question. A chart in tool. You can use Excel to communicate data graphically. Charts allow your audience to see meaning behind the numbers and the make showing comparison trends and much easier. Your next topic is what is importance of charts? The main function of charts are display data, invite further exploration. Please note the question for your notebook. Okay. What is the importance of chart? The main function of chart are display data on invite the further exploration of topic. Is now next topic. Next question. What are the chart of element of in Excel? We can change the format in individual chart elements such as the charts, area, plot area, data series, axis, titles, data table and the legend. There are different types of charts. Okay, I hope you understand this topic. How to open your MS Excel chart? Go to your search option, MS Excel search. Okay, some example for name, roll number and section. Go to your insert option. Select the type data and go to your insert option. choose the chart option, select the any chart. You know that screen there are different charts, line chart, bar chart, pie chart, bar chart, and any chart is available in MS Excel. Okay, select. Okay. Do you know, children, a lot of numerical data on Microsoft Excel worksheet using a chart can help make more sense out of the numbers. Excel offer various chart type of each suited for different types of data analysis. I hope you understand this topic. Dear children, how to create the chart? Follow these steps. Select data, include the chart, include any cell, data contents, text level that should be in the chart too. You may need to select the range cells, don't touch each other for a step. So hold down the control key will you select the cell you want. Second, on the insert tab, click the chart type and a menu option showing the chart subtypes. Third, click the subtype you want. A new chart is created and the place on the current sheet as floating object. It's so important key points. A chart is visual representation of data in worksheet. The second, MS Excel provides several types of chart to let you represent your data in the most effective way. Bar chart display data in the form of long rectangular bars that are generally placed horizontally in the chart area. A column chart is commonly used chart type to display the data in the form of vertical bars. Line chart is used to show trend in data over a period of time. Pie chart show the relationship of proportion of parts of whole. Other common types of charts include the radar chart, XY sector chart, and dog hunt chart, and area chart, etc. etc. Sorting means arranging data in worksheet in a particular order. Filtering data means hiding undesired data from the view of temporarily to have a look only at the desired data. Conditional formatting allows to format selected data from a worksheet based on certain conditions.